Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Sharul Azri, metric number 195934.
And my name is Ahmad Afiq Akmal bin Cik Yusof, and my metric number is 196439.
So today we will be solving an integration question using several methods in which it involves trigonometric integration, and of course where there is trigonometric integration there will be a trigonometric identity.
The next
of course,
method is using by substitution method. Yes, we apply the u and v with that, and then we differentiate u and just integration normally.
and of course finally is partial fraction. Of course we need to do the partial when it is in the form of a partial fraction. We need to decompose it into an even more simpler form. Today we will be explaining this particular question in which it is 4 second x sine x over sine x cos square x dx. So we need to simplify this. In order for us to simplify this, we need to use this. So simplify second x, it is also known as 1 over cos x, and then we will time both the denominator and the numerator with negative cos square x, and then it will become into this form. Now as you notice here, I use the identity cos square x equals to 1 minus sine square x, and then it'll become like this, in which it is very similar to this one. Now from this point on, we will use the substitution method in terms of u equals to sine x. Differentiate, and then it will become like this. And after that, as you notice here, there's a cos x here, there's a cos x here. We can actually cancel, and then it will become into this form. We then factorize the denominator, and then it will become into this form. This form here, it is a partial fraction form. After doing the partial fraction, it'll become in this particular form.
Okay, next we just u plus 1 substitute into 1 over 2 into this, and we after that we just apply the linearity, and we got this one from this only. Just separate between these two function, and we got this. So next, after we separate the function, we use the substitution method and use the right one, which is the denominator u, and then just follow by, then you got the ln v. So just v substitute again with we substitute this equation. So next to this part, as we know before this, we separate the equation and we use the second one. For this we use 4 because the coefficient we insert it in this equation, and then we also factorize our denominator into this part, and we take out the 2 over 6y away from this to integrate both equations. So from the both equation, we just usually use the same way, use the substitution method until you got this equation. Next, this is the actually from this one, this part, and that's an easy method actually. So also use the substitution method. This is u plus 1, and then you got this, the same. And the last one, you just substitute normally and get this one. And the last method, you must sub u as a sine x, which is this very complicated answers in the last.